How to add Passkey on BingX. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add Passkey in the BingX application using your mobile device. First of all, launch open the BingX app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. In order to add a Passkey, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, and from the expanded menu, click on Security Center. Inside Security Center, you'll see the Passkeys option. Tap on it and then click on Add Passkey at the bottom in order to add your fingerprint, Face ID, or device's PIN. Now choose one of the options. In order to enable Passkey, you need to enable one of the options at the bottom, that is Google Authenticator, email, or phone number. I'm just going to click the phone option and enter the phone number in the text box and click link. Now you'll need to go ahead and enter the 6-digit code sent to you via SMS and email. Tap on get code on both of the boxes. Complete this small puzzle and you'll receive a 6-digit code via SMS on your provided phone number. It may take a while for the code to arrive. After it does, enter the 6-digit code. After entering the verification code via SMS, go to the next field and tap on get code underneath email code, and you'll receive a verification code sent via email. Once you find it, go ahead and type it down and click OK, and on the next page, you'll be able to enable Passkey on BingX. For some reason, it is not working on my phone at the moment, but it might in your case. So that is the process on how you can add Passkey in the BingX app. Make sure that the device's biometric authentication is set up the operating system level first. If you change devices, you may need to re-add the Passkey on the new device via your account settings. So that is how you can easily add or enable Passkey on BingX. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.